Sophia buys a new phone. Sophia wakes up feeling excited because today she plans to buy a new phone. Her old phone has a weak battery and the screen is cracked. After eating breakfast, she checks her budget and writes a short list of the features she wants. She hopes to find a phone with a great camera, a fast processor, and a long-lasting battery. After leaving home, Sophia takes a bus to a large shopping mall. The electronics store is busy with many customers looking at different devices. A friendly sales assistant greets her and asks how he can help. Sophia explains what she needs, and he shows her several popular phone models. She carefully compares the phones one by one. She holds each phone in her hand, checks the camera quality, and tests how fast the screen responds. The sales assistant explains the storage space, battery life, and special features of each model. Sophia asks many questions because she wants to make the best decision. Finally, Sophia chooses the phone that fits both her needs and her budget. She pays for it, receives the warranty, and buys a protective case and a screen protector. Before leaving the store, the assistant helps her transfer her photos and contacts from the old phone to the new one. Feeling happy with her purchase, Sophia visits a nearby cafe. She orders a coffee and begins exploring the new phone. She downloads her favorite apps, changes the wallpaper, and sends a message to her family saying, "I finally got my new phone." When she arrives home, Sophia spends the evening learning more about her new device. She takes a few beautiful photos from her window and watches a short tutorial about hidden features. Before going to bed, she places the phone on the charger and smiles. She is happy because she made a smart choice and enjoyed a wonderful day.